Hello boys and girls, welcome back. We're going to have a look at another new sound. Before we do, let's go over the ones we already know. Action and sound. Zzz. Oh, oh. J, 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 j. W, w, w. I, I. T, 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 t. A. S, s. Or. D, 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 d. E. B, b, b. G, 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 g. E. A. Very good, we know lots of sounds. Let's look at another one. The one we looked at today. Look at the sounds, look. Look at the action. Listen to the sound. Let's sing together. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say Well done. What words can we see with the Look at the little boy. What is he? He's strong. Look at the string. String on the car is long. Let's see, can we read some words with the So how many sounds are here? Count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. On your arms, let's go. Long, very long. Let's have a look. How many sounds are here? Let's count the sounds. How many sounds are here? Let's go together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sounds. How do we read 5 sounds? On the other shoulder. Okay, let's go. S, t, I, S, t, I, st, string. Well done, everybody. Let's sing one more time before we go. Before we do that, let's see how to write it. We forgot how to write it. Get your magic finger. Ready? Down, up, down, over, around, up and down. Down, up, down, over to the dot, around, up and down. Down, up, down, over, around, up and down. Fantastic. Okay, let's sing the song. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say Well done. Fantastic. Good job. Bye-bye. See you next time.